In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code in Zoho Invoice. QR codes have become a convenient way to share information quickly and effortlessly, and incorporating them into your invoices can streamline your invoicing process, making it easier for your clients to access their invoices directly online. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll need to enable the QR code setting within Zoho Invoice. To begin, log into your Zoho Invoice account and navigate to the Settings section. When you're in the main dashboard, look towards the left side of the screen for the Settings menu. Once you find it, click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. Within this drop-down, look for the option labeled Invoices and give it a click. This will take you to a new page specifically dedicated to invoice settings. On this new page, direct your attention to the tabs at the top. These tabs categorize the different settings you can adjust within your invoices. Click on the tab labeled General. This section covers a range of common settings you might find useful, so it's a good spot to familiarize yourself with if you're managing invoices frequently. As you browse through the general settings, you'll encounter an option labeled Invoice QR Code. Here comes the crucial part. To enable QR codes on your invoices, you need to toggle this option on. This switch activates the feature, allowing you to start using QR codes with your invoices. If you can't find this toggle right away, carefully scroll through the options in the General tab. It should be nestled among other invoice-related settings. Once you've successfully enabled this feature, you'll see a prompt for choosing the type of QR code you want to incorporate. Zoho provides flexibility by offering two different types of QR codes for your invoices. The first option is the Invoice URL QR code. Choosing this option will generate a QR code that contains a direct link to the web version of the invoice. This type can be particularly beneficial if you want to ensure your clients have immediate online access to their invoices, making it easier for them to review details or make payments promptly. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully integrated a QR code into your Zoho Invoice setup. Incorporating QR codes not only enhances the invoice experience by making it tech-savvy and efficient, but also adds a layer of convenience for your clients. It reflects a modern approach to business operations and can potentially speed up payment processes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification.